Want to transform your garden into a cozy and stylish space without spending a fortune? Stay with me, because today I'll show you budget-friendly garden decor ideas that are simple, practical, and make a big impact. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you love gardening or just want to create a beautiful outdoor space without overspending, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through smart and affordable decoration ideas that anyone can try. When we say budget-friendly garden decor, we mean using low-cost, easily available materials to design and decorate your garden while keeping it stylish and functional. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Repurpose old items like wooden crates or glass jars into planters. Step 2. Add lighting with fairy lights or solar lamps for evening charm. Step 3. Create a pathway with pebbles or bricks for a natural look. Step 4. Add vertical gardening using hanging baskets or wall-mounted paths to save space. Tools explained. You'll need basic tools like scissors, a small hammer, nails, garden gloves, and adhesive hooks. If you're making pathways, a small shovel will help. Everything here is simple, and you probably already have most of it at home. Quick tips: use bright colored parts to make your plants pop. Mix different textures like stones, wood, and metal for variety. And don't forget, plants themselves are the best decoration, so choose a mix of flowers and greenery. Cost comparison. Buying fancy garden decor pieces can cost anywhere from $50 to $200. With these DIY methods, you can decorate your entire garden for under $30, depending on what you already have at home. Here's a quick template you can follow. Repurpose plus light plus pathway plus vertical garden. Start by reusing old items, then add lighting, build a simple pathway, and finally maximize space with vertical arrangements. Notes: keep your design balanced. Too many colors or decorations can make your garden look cluttered. Always choose weather-resistant materials so your decor lasts longer outdoors. So remember, garden decor doesn't have to be expensive. Repurpose what you already own, add simple lights, build pathways, and go vertical with plants. These small changes can create a big difference. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more practical and creative home tips.